spider here and the bee's nest here.
Just keeping this with me. This literally dropped on my head.
No one bites the dust.
Like, it'll just snap your screw heads off. You have to have an underbite when you're doing it. Has anyone ever told you you've got a really manly screw? Hey guys, welcome back. We've got another episode where we're back here in the house. This is part 2 and we're going straight into the loft because it's freezing outside, it's icy. And yesterday all those hornets were asleep in the morning and then woke up as the day warmed up, oh my gosh. Woke up as the day got warm, so we're going to go up there straight away while it is still cold. Just quickly showing Luke round before we pop up there. Let's suit up and jump up there.
Like a ninja.
The wasps are really, really slow. I just went up there and found some more, but they're literally, like you say, I just pushed one and it slow motion crawled out the way, so I'm not really too worried now.
See that? Oh, the glamorous life of an electrician up in lofts, deeper into the abyss.
I can literally see his eyeball looking down at me. It's so weird. I haven't got any nails to itch it with. Why are you filming?
My knees hurt. Nice to be back.
That all mounted all good?
Yeah.
Are you sweating?
A little bit.
Was that fear or heat?
Just a bit both.
Right, let's get the cables in and the conduit in then. Tim Tam.
Yeah, they're amazing.
They are really good.
Like a penguin, but more moist.
Yeah, I donated them to the cause. Well, just because I'm going on holiday and I've got like moobs already. Right, if we get some tin snips as well, really. With that,
I've got some in my phone.
However, I just snap it and tin snip it. So you just snap it, chop it, and then screw that little screw on, and then this little thing just screws into that. I won't do it because it's quite hard to get off, but then that's tight, and then that will obviously screw into our metal end boxes, and that's it. Happy? Mm-hmm. Cool.
Let's have a look. How's that gone there?
So, sorry, I've got a big flap of dead skin.
Oh.
Guitarist fingers. With this, you just, so you see that thicker end there.
Yeah.
That goes that way.
Oh,
you
okay.
just sort of screw it on.
Yeah.
Like so. You have to have an underbite when you're doing it. Otherwise it don't work right. And you'll see that will go really tight.
Yeah. Let's go down the M1 first. You're not coming up here?
Yeah, I'll come with you.
What have you seen?
I've seen the biggest spider. It's that big I can actually see its eyes.
That's it, I'm going to come up.
I've got a spider here and the bee's nest here. What a combination.
I don't think that's a bee's nest, mate. I think that's a hornet's nest. Yeah, that is a big spider. Okay, spider. How about we make a pact? You eat all the wasps and hornets, and we'll be grateful.
All right.
You're ex-military, and I just heard you scream like a little girl from a spider.
I thought you liked fast spiders.
Mate, every single crack is just full of wasps. And Jordan says, oh, they're asleep. Mate, they were not asleep yesterday. As soon as it warmed up, they were buzzing around. I'm just keeping this with me. Okay, cool. I'm going to go terminate that. Mate. Why would you put a box right underneath that spider? So I've got to sit there and terminate that now. Be brave. This will actually make you tougher. The thing is as well, you really don't want to fall through this thing. Because you have got very far to go. Right, ready for some B-roll? Right, wasp roll.
Oh crap, where is that? Is that above me? Oh my god, it is.
There we go. So we've got the hole there going down to the fan. We've got these butts mounted just here. It's just fitting the ends on the copex. And then we just have to fix the copex down to the joists, and then all we've got to do is come back up here and fill it with cable. I don't know, it's on the light somewhere. We've got gloves though.
Oh, so there, it's a hornet. That's not a bee, that's a hornet there. It's on the black bit. The black bit of felt. What? Oh, off! It's going to get angry though, it's going to get angry.
It kills it. Mate, that was
scary. There's just nowhere to run.
They're starting to wake up.
I'm sweating, I'm sweating.
Right.
Back to work.
So these dinner plate lights, which I've never called them that before, but the customer calls them that, and now I will for the rest of my life be calling them that, definitely. We're taking these down and we're using that switch feed to switch some lights which have been fitted currently either side of these beams. So there can be some directional spotlights which will focus on the beam. But for now, the plan is, if I just take these off, take these down, we'll keep the same switch line, keep the same permanent, we'll just box it all up a bit neater. Maybe, I wonder, we could probably even terminate it into a whisker box. I don't see why we can't do that, 'cause there's a big enough hole for it. And then have a leg going out to these and a leg going out to those. Yeah, and then that way they're all completely contained within the copex. We could literally finish the copex right as it comes out of the ceiling even. The whole reason we're using copex in the loft, well, one of the main reasons is to prevent against mice. And then we've got tape on the very weak point of all the copex on the end. And I get they've done it as an improvised grommet strip, but what that's doing, that tape, the glue on it, is attracting mice. And it's attracting them to the most vulnerable part of the circuit, which is kind of ironic.
I'm dying a slow and painful death up here. I'm sweating and I can't itch my face because my hands are covered in fiberglass. So you just gotta be sweaty, I guess.
This literally dropped on my head. Right, I'll give you a non-wasp related actual electrical update. So we're just cleating it basically. So you can see there, just screwing these cleats onto it, and then it's coming back to here. And what we'll be doing is dropping it down the wall, down here. So it's metal copex all the way through. A bit more thorough. Maybe we should start making a habit of this. Cool. I'll update it again when we actually have the copex out the wall and we start cabling it.
Did you enjoy it?
Loved it, every moment.
That's the worst of it done now. Pulling cables through should be quite easy. I'm going to grab them bits, Luke. Do you want an out of the loft job? Or do you want to stay out there?
I don't mind.
No, we'll give you an out of the loft job. I'll wait till I'm back and we can work in the loft together. If you're up in that loft without me, a wasp will probably kidnap you. That's what happened to Reuben yesterday. That's why he's not with me today. We could just chase this cable in along here. I'll see if I think I've got some oval capping in my van. We can try, I reckon that first leg, which is probably the worst one anyway because it's the furthest, we probably can just rod through, but we'll...
Yeah.
If we turn
Have you got the bendy rods, like the clear ones?
I've not got loads of them, not got enough for that length, I don't think, no. But to be fair, rods probably would do it actually, it's a fair point, because it's dead straight one, isn't it?
It is literally, it's just a slight curve and it's dead straight pretty much.
Yeah, I could even put the bendy rod on the front and then the other one's on the back, that's a good shout actually. Alright then, let's do that. Let's just rod it through. I'll grab my rods, we'll go back up there and get that one done.
Yay, back up.
First things first, where's the wasp spray? Right, that's there, cool. Lovely. That's sweet. Okay, cool. Let's go get the cable through then.
So, we need to get a cable. Oh, it's literally already open, mate. It couldn't be easier. We'll just get 2 cables up that hole, and then we'll feed them through all the way up into the loft, and then we can pull them along the copex. Right, so I'm going to chuck this through to Luke, and then, actually I'll chuck it up. Is it going to be up this one here? That's not going to be in the wall, is it?
No.
Whereas I think if I chuck it up there, look, I don't know if you can see that. So these pipes are ground source heat pump pipes.
Put it right in the...
Air source heat pump pipes, rather, so they're not going to get hot.
Yeah.
Oh, I see your little fingers.
Yeah. Not the best time. Yeah, got it.
Let's pull that through. At least it comes through quite easy. Tell you what, John, well, I know you don't want to because it involves...
I'd love to get back up on that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's so perfect. I was literally just about to ask you that.
Yeah.
Mate, what's the chances? Let's see if you can see this cable wiggling.
Yeah.
And I'll attach these on. It's only just right on the entrance.
Yeah, it's been a bit conjure up here.
All right, John, let's see if you can pull that out.
Is that not live, is it? 'Cause it's in a Wago box.
Hope it's not live. So I've been playing around with it.
It's in a Wago box.
Let me quickly check. No, it's dead.
Is that the right one though, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Should I strap the other one, tape the other one to it and pull it up?
I will, yeah. I've still got loads left yet, though.
Okay.
Reuben's gone away and he's come back with banter. Reuben got stung by a wasp and has turned into a man.
Oh, no way, no. No way. Where's the spray? Got another one. Another one bites the dust.
So I'm just showing this to Luke. It's a way of pulling cable through well, you don't even really need tape, but it's just a bit stronger than tape. So you just strip back to just the earth. I bend it over like that. Then I poke this through, both of them, bend it over, and then just roll the earth round on itself like that. And then you can bung a bit of tape over that just to be doubly sure it's not going anywhere. Has anyone ever told you you got a really manly scream?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised. And see, that's absolutely like solid, and it will wiggle round. There you go. Right, there we go. We're all the way through.
That is our tool of the day, alright? I'm keeping a can of that in my van from now on. In fact, I'm going to make sure it's in all of the Artisan vans. Did you just pull one out?
There's definitely no cable.
Yeah, there's no cable attached to that. I just had a thought actually, I've put stuffing glands on. We can't use stuffing glands, we've got to use copex all the way out. So we'll take those out and replace those to copex out to the light fittings.
Nice, I'm a big fan.
Have a nice beer when I get home, I think. I think I've deserved it today.
Right, let's go to the van then, I'll grab you them bits. So there's my crimper. This is beautiful, this. Swedish Pressmaster. Had it for donkey yonks. Reuben, bless his cotton socks. He did this yesterday. I just helped him button it up. He labelled all the cables and stuff for us. However, it definitely is not working right. I'm just going to take the whole thing apart and start again. Because, not that I don't trust his labelling, but I just don't trust his labelling. I'm just checking because sometimes different sparkies can use different colours for L1 and L2, and then you come unstuck, so I'm just making sure they've definitely done it the right way round. But basically the mistake Reuben's made, he's swapped the permanent feed, which is the feed out to the bathroom light, and mixed that up with the hallway light switch. So the hallway was on permanent, and the bathroom light was being switched from over there, which is not what you want. So we've just put that right. There we go, Reuben. You're welcome. Seeing as he always likes to rate me and Lee, rate his switch wiring skills. I'll let him off purely because he hasn't done switch wiring at college yet, and he's actually learning it today. He's at college today, he hasn't really been eaten by the wasps. Although if he was there today, he probably would have been carried away by the wasps. Yeah, he's doing switch wiring. It's his first practical day at college, so wish him well in the comments. Free to give you a hand.
Do you think I can take my boiler suit off now?
I think you can, mate. I was going to test it.
Don't get the wrong one.
Where's the extension lead gone?
Did that hit the fan if that spun now?
No, I've taken it down.
Waving that edge there.
Oh yeah, that's the only one it's going to catch on, and it's the only one I'm not taking down. What an idiot. I don't think they'll just come on anyway. Oi!
Oi! Oh. Ah! Very nice.
I like. I'm just preparing this for Reuben tomorrow. Stay tuned for part 3. I ask him, why is it alive rather than live? I mean, they're a bit cold now, but when they warm up, it's a nice little surprise. Right, my favourite part of the house, the tap on here, go through, so all these jobs on here, so move the fan, etc., completed. So I can say completed by, and then that is my task done. So I'm a big sucker for tick lists, which is why I was quite happy when Tradify said they wanted to sponsor this video. So if you fancy trying it out, you've got 3 months at 50% off. Check out the code below. Right, we have completed today though. It's been a mission, especially for poor old Luke. How have you found it? Your first day employed working with me?
Very warm in the loft and very itchy, but no, it's been a good day. Good day.
Yeah, I've had fun. And these lights, these fans, sorry, look absolutely awesome. For tomorrow, I've reset up the scaffold tower over here, got the light bases mounted. Really hard drilling into this old oak. It's literally as hard as steel. You have to pilot drill it and then put your stainless steel screws into that because it's just ridiculously strong. Like, it will just snap your screw heads off. So they're all mounted ready. So tomorrow all we need to do is pop those light fittings up and come out there, and we're reusing the existing lighting feed for those old dinner plate lights. So just tomorrow sorting out some lighting, sorting out some bits under the stairs, a few odd miscellaneous jobs. And Reuben's back, young Reuben, so that'll be pretty cool. So I look forward to seeing you on part 3.